Hello, beautiful ones. I wanted to share something that I wrote a while back that I guess is still happening, and it's beginning to happen to a lot of us. And I keep plunging into the depth of my being, reclaiming my light, reclaiming my love, seeing what I pushed away, what I was afraid to see, afraid of shadows that were but my reflections. I have never been without light. I shine light on what was hidden in the dark, on all that wishes to come forward into the light. I hold your hand. In trust and love we walk. And this is for all of us too. It's always for us. It's not the dark we feared. It was our own reflection which we left behind that we now reclaim. In our light and our love and our truth and our unity and our wholeness, we reclaim what we left behind. We reclaim our power. We call back our love. We bring the light to the shadows, to the dark, and we allow love and unity to lead the way, to show us the way, and to illuminate all. We allow choice, freedom, compassion, mercy, forgiveness, unconditional love and wisdom. I am already there, and so are you. This is our paradise right here. Are you seeing it? Can you look around you and find your own paradise? Find your own paradise within. For now, this is a reflection of it. Look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful you all are.